Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Samsung phone if it's stuck in airplane mode. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix here, go ahead and force restart your device. Okay, you will have the volume down button right here at the right panel of your phone, of course. The volume down and the power button. Hold it for about 7 to 10 seconds until it forces to reboot. Okay, and after that, go ahead and change the airplane mode if it works now. The second option, instead of toggling, okay, here to turn off airplane mode, go ahead and tap on settings. Now go ahead and go to connections, and here toggle the airplane mode from on to off in here. Okay, and then once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if that still work, go ahead and remove your SIM card from the SIM tray. So turn off the phone, remove the SIM card, and then turn it on with the SIM. Now go ahead and go back to settings, connections, and then airplane mode. Okay. Now, if all else fails, you could go ahead and reset your phone. Just use the search bar and type down reset. Okay. Right here, tap on factory data reset. Tap on it. And then here, just go ahead and tap on reset all settings. Okay. But the best option right here is factory data reset. But do keep in mind that this will erase all of your data, so make sure that you have backed up everything, your photos, files, videos, everything. So tap on this option, follow simple prompts, and once done, you should be good to go. And that is how you fix Samsung phones if it's stuck in airplane or airplane mode. I hope this video helps. I'll see you at the next one.